So this is Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. Regardless of which version you have, everything you learn here will be applicable in every version. I'm on Mac right now. You may be using Windows, but it doesn't matter. The app works the same on both. The only difference is of shortcut keys or hotkeys. For instance, on Mac, the command key is Control key on Windows, and Option key is Alt key on Windows. So whenever I say command, it means Control key for you. And whenever I say Option key, that'll be Alt key for you. Now let me give you some introduction first. This is our tool panel. This is very important because you'll find all the tools here. If you cannot see this tool panel here, then simply go in Windows tab and select the option of Tools at the bottom. If any of your panel disappears, you can simply find it in this tab. You can easily enable and disable any panel. And after you select a tool, the properties and options of it will show up here at the top. There are other panels like Layer Panel and Color Panel that are also available here. You can enable or disable any of these panels. And this is the menu. All the options can be found in these menus. So this is Photoshop. The first thing we have to do is to import our file. You have different options to import file. If you're on a blank project space like right now, you can simply double click on this blank area and a pop-up will come out. You can browse your files and select the file you want to open in Photoshop. Or you can go into Files tab in menu bar here. You'll see the option of Open, or simply press Ctrl O, which is the hotkey for it. And a window will pop up again, and you can browse your files and open the file from there. You have another option too. You can simply drag a file from a window and drop it in Photoshop. Now, if you drag and drop the image on another image, it'll add as another layer on that project. But if you drag the file and drop it on the projects bar here, it will create a new project. So now you can see here we have 3 projects open. Here we have used 2 pictures. So this was how we can import images into Photoshop.